So I was doing online focus groups, so I'd do like 300 people, and they'd hear all of the facts and everything. And then I'd take 100 people, and they would hear nothing about seizures. All they heard was you got rear-ended and all these incidents. And the data showed that the jurors that did not, or the jurors that heard the seizure history, gave 38% more money. But I knew, because of the pretrial work in the internet focus groups, that the more I did that, the higher the damage award was going to be. So the lesson of that is these internet focus groups are invaluable. And we've been using them a ton. We use those first early on in the case, and later we change facts and we learn new things. And then we do the live focus groups, and I think it's really helpful. It's not that expensive. There's people that can do it. Keith here's one. You can talk to about a jury analyst that I've worked with. But I think, we all think we know, but as lawyers, we're kind of have tunnel vision. And by getting a mass of people that don't know anything about the case, telling you things that are helpful for you, or things that you think are good or bad.